My name is Tawan Jithavech. I'm a CTO of KBTG, which is a IT arm of KBank, one of the largest banks in Thailand. We are a global 2,000 company. At KBank, we start digital transformation for the last 5 years. As you know, in this day and age, people interact with banking through mobile system. So we innovate a mobile banking system that supports about 18 million people and have about 150 million transactions per day, of which is about 50% financial transaction. So we aim to provide financial service to customers anywhere, anytime. Since we are in financial, data is very important, and customers trust us only when we can secure their data. We are governed by Bank of Thailand, who regulate us. So we need to provide back up the system, and we have to prove that we can restore the system less than 4 hours. With Veeam solution, we can do that in minutes. So we can prove that we can restore data back to normal state really quickly. We use Veeam to back up about 2 petabytes of data across about 2,000 virtual machines. And with Veeam solution, the recovery time, as I said earlier, reduced by 300%. We reduce labor and operational support about 900 hours per month. Also, with Veeam solution, it helps us save costs about $70,000 a year. As a financial institute, we get challenged and attacked all the time. And as you can see that recently there's a lot of news about ransomware. With Veeam backup solution and data lab, we'll be able to back up into the Linux hardened repository. So every backup image is immutable. So we can make sure that when we restore it, we can test it, that it's free from malware or ransomware before we put it into production. So Veeam solution help us tremendously on that. KBank goal is to enhance and make our customer life better. So their data is the key, so we need to secure them. So we always look into innovate how to provide the service to customer better. We're looking into using CAS and K10 from Veeam, because nowadays our application is developed using microservices. So to back up that up quickly and be able to deploy it somewhere else quickly, it's going to help us be more agile. Another solution that we're thinking about deploying from Veeam is they call continuous data protection, which we believe that can enhance our DR capability even better than we have today. With all of that, customers can trust us that their data is secure with us.